Hey, good morning, everyone. Here, 360 General Contractors Incorporated, back at it again. This is day 6 on our construction process. We finished our demolition day 5. So yesterday, we marked up the walls. We did our squaring off, and we had some obstacles, so let me go show you. So yesterday's constraints, our wall originally should have been 1 foot 9 inches down this way to have a hallway 5 foot. I gave the owner 2 options. Either we leave them there and have no cost impact, or move them over where they'll have a cost impact where we have to core drill the hole, move all the pipes. That would delay the project, getting approvals and all that junk. So I went this route to save myself time and save the customer money. Essentially what we ended up doing is leaving this where it goes, and we just shifted over all the rooms. That room in the back is supposed to be 48 feet long, but now it's gonna be 46 feet. So the owner's okay with that, so we just went ahead and shifted the walls over. This wall came up, this concrete wall came up, so we're gonna have to core drill so we can pass our sewer line for the wall hung toilets. Are gonna go in this area and in that area. Another issue that came up, once we demoed everything out, that wall came out, so nobody saw it. It's called the unforeseen thing, so we had to adjust the wall placement, move this wall over so we can didn't have an edge there, so the owner's okay with it. We just made the room probably like 8 inches smaller, but we made it work. During the initial construction phase, this door was gonna be a 36-inch door, but now it's gonna be a 40-inch, because the owner's gonna bring in some large conference table, so they have enough room so they can pass through. So as you can see, we removed all the drywall. It's ready for the electricians to start doing the roughing. And then in this area, hopefully by midday or tomorrow, my plumber's gonna come in and cap those lines underneath, because we had to shut off the water. So once we shut it off, now there's some restrooms in the first floor that don't have water. So that's something that came up. So it's unfortunate that we have to deal with stuff like that, but it's part of construction. That's why I love what I do. I called my mechanical guy, Tim Wright, Rene Salinas, and he's probably gonna be here at 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're gonna go over the duct placement. Since this room originally should have been 10 foot high, but we have this concrete trusses on top that is gonna stop us from being able to get the ceiling as high as they want. So the highest we can go is 9 feet, so we can pass the duct work from one side to another. So right now we have the framing crew. They started early this morning. We went and picked up this material about 7:30 in the morning, got here by 8:30. I'm pretty confident that by tomorrow noon, all the framing should be done at 100% on that area. What's up, everybody? We're back here again at the EOC, Emergency Operating Center. This is the second part of the morning that we're just gonna show what we got done today. So right now, before my guys left, we had to mark this area out. So we're probably gonna be framing this tomorrow and then frame this wall tomorrow also. So in the morning, we're gonna go pick up the material. Today, the guys were able to pick up all these walls right here. Tomorrow, they'll finish this early in the morning. And this, I'm pending a detail from the architect so we can finish this wall right here. It's gonna be the reception area. We're just missing a measurement so we can finish this wall right here. Today the plumbers came in, they capped off all the vents, all the water lines, sewer lines, so everything's already capped off, so that's good. Our fire sprinkler subcontractor came here and eliminated the water that's on the sprinklers and capped off whatever was in our way. So when he starts his work, putting all the sprinklers where they need to go, the fire sprinklers, that's already taken care of. So the framing for this area in a day's work, it's already at can say honestly, like 90% in one day. So overall, I think we had a good day, very productive. Yesterday, this was demoed out, so I already got with the electrician. They're gonna start boxing this out. The only constraint for them is not a normal drywall that we're gonna do. It's gonna have a 3/4 plywood, and then it's the drywall. So they gotta get some spacers for their gate boxes. So it's kind of difficult to get that specific size. So they're gonna order it. Hopefully they'll have it probably in 2 or 3 days, and next week they'll start roughing in this area right here. Good thing, I'm gonna order the foam insulation that goes in this wall. So this is a tilt wall on the second floor. we're gonna seal this area with MP1 and over there in the back. It wasn't sealed originally, but we're gonna take care of it before we put our rigid board insulation. And then we're gonna put a metal stud wall in front of it. And then after that, we'll put our 3/4 plywood with our drywall. But first we gotta frame it up and then rough it in and then get inspection for the electrical. Once the inspection passed, then we're able to do the cover up the wall. So we have to do the process correctly because we can't cover anything without getting inspected by the city. So overall, I think in our first 6 days, we were able to do the demo. We were able to clear everything out, mark, resolve all the issues. We had like 6 different changes on the original plans in 1 day. We got all that resolved with the owners and the architect. And I think that was really good, really fast. And overall, I'm really happy with our progress. When tomorrow will be day 7. So within a week that we've been working at it, we were barely knocking out all the first stages of the construction. So I'm really happy and blessed. And thank you, Jesus, for helping me getting this to this point right now. So thank you, guys.